Hey there my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today in this video we'll be taking care of quite a few things around in this kitchen because as you can see it's a complete disaster. We've got quite a bit of stuff everywhere since our time has been taken up this week, but we'll take care of this and then we'll be working on a bit of laundry that I've been putting off during this time. So if y'all are ready to tackle this mess with me, let's get started. So as I mentioned, we're going to start off cleaning up our kitchen area because it honestly has been the most cluttered area in the house at the moment. Not only do we have Chris's mom visiting during this week, but with the reality of the kids actually being out of school, I haven't been able to do a thorough clean of the entire house, or let alone be able to clean more than one room at a time. So what I've been able to do so far is clean up one area at a time and then always make sure to add in a load of laundry for the day. That way I won't get overwhelmed or have any chores backed up on top of another mess that I have to clean up. This by far has helped out quite a bit, and telling yourself that it doesn't have to get done all in one day helps tremendously as well. So say it with me, it doesn't have to get done all in one day, you guys. You can take breaks, clean a little, clean a lot, but what you decide to do is okay. At least you were able to get something done than to do nothing at all. For those who are tuning in, again, I wanted to welcome you to our YouTube family. I'm truly glad to have you here and supporting me on my channel, you guys. It means a lot to me, and I cannot thank you enough for being here and loving the content that I put out for you on a weekly basis. My name is Jessica Savage. I'm a stay-at-home mom to 3 kids, which are Christopher, Alyssa, and Dylan. Their ages are 14, 11, and 7, and I've been married to the love of my life, my high school sweetheart Chris, for 14 years now, but as of June 4th, it will officially be 15 years together. We own a little farm out back with goats, ducks, and chickens, and we're always keeping busy with DIY projects, makeovers, and every other little odd end that we can create into something new. However, in the meantime, I love to do these videos for you guys, motivate and inspire you in any way that I can, and show you all of what I can do in my real life, mom life, real life messes as a stay-at-home mom. I'm the one that will truly show it all and keep it real and honest with you guys, because I want to let you know that you're not alone and anyone can go through these things, whether it would be a disaster mess all the way down to the mental, physical issues that I have along with my perimenopause, because I believe that no matter what, in one way or another, we can relate, understand, and help each other to feel better, to make our time better. So I just wanted to say that I'm here for you, and again, that you're not alone with what you go through, because I go through it too. So if you love all of this cleaning motivation, if you love all that I do as a stay-at-home mom while I whisper these sweet nothings into your ear talking through this video, if you love the content that I share along with the real life relatable content, then I'd love for you to consider to subscribe to my channel. Then I'd love for you to head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, and give us a follow there as well, because we share daily IG stories of our lifestyle, the farm life, and we have motivational and inspirational posts for you to enjoy, but we definitely would love to connect with each and every one of you.
Your head spinning too.
actually have some exciting news for you guys. It's official. Most of you already know, but maybe some of you haven't caught it yet. However, at the end of May, I had officially hit 1,000 subs on my YouTube channel. I couldn't believe it when I saw it, and then that glitch happened. Yes, a glitch. If y'all follow me on Instagram, you would have seen the story I posted. So in short, for those who don't know, I had hit 1,000 subscribers with 12 new people. I applied for Google AdSense, and within those 10 minutes, I lost those 12 people and got kicked out of the application. No joke. Then a day after, we quickly gained those 12 people back and more in subscribers. So then I was able to apply for the Google AdSense again, only waited 2 days, got approved, and now you're looking at a woman who has officially been monetized. Those of you who have asked me, has it hit yet? Well, it definitely did when I got the email, and then I looked over at my content to see that each video was monetized after Chris had set it up on my computer, and all of it had a $sign. Cha-ching! I'm just kidding. But don't get me wrong, such a great feeling to see that it's actually real. However, I'm telling you guys this because I truly couldn't have done it without you. I'm serious. Besides me doing all of the work I need to do to provide you with good content, you guys have to like it, right? It's my work that has to draw you in. You have to love what I do to then subscribe, and then it gets me closer to my goal. So again, besides what I do, which is a lot, you guys truly help out as well. So with that being said, I just want to say thank you so much for helping me reach my goal.
Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care.
So how has it been for you ladies ever since your kids have gotten out of school? Is there any area that you cannot keep clean? Are you able to get the entire house clean? Or are you handling each room one day at a time like I am? Well, whatever you decide to do, I just wanted to let you know that that's enough and you're doing what you can with the time that you have. Everything is not going to be perfect because, in all honesty, it's never perfect for me here. But I can tell you that I have more good days than bad days because I stopped stressing over the mess. I allowed myself to actually appreciate the mess and accept it that I have around me because it gives me something to do. As most of you know, I'm a busybody, a busy bee, or more so, I have to be a busybody because it keeps me occupied constantly throughout the day, and I don't have to worry about drowning in my own thoughts about the what if, you know? Which reminds me to tell y'all something. I learned something the other day. Don't worry about the what ifs. Worry about the now. Worry about what's right in front of you and what all you have to take care of in that moment. Don't worry about the what if. Don't worry about tomorrow or a month from now because that's not what's happening right now. You can't control it, okay? You have to worry about now. Now, don't get me wrong. I sometimes do the what ifs, but they don't help anyone and they won't help you and they don't help you de-stress. It will just stress you out more. So again, work on the now.
Just you and me. You and me. Just you
Okay, you guys, that was a lot of work taking care of all of that stuff in the kitchen, but the kitchen is all clean and organized. Now we'll be moving on to the laundry room to take care the little bit of clothes that needed to be folded, washed, and I had decided last minute to get a smaller load washed. That way it forces me just to do a little bit more with the time that I have, because after we fold the laundry, I'll be having to get up and get dinner started for the kids a little earlier than usual. So by the time these loads are done, I can just go back and forth to take care of the rest of the clothes. But as of right now, you'll be helping me fold the load I had taken out. So I hope you're getting all of the motivation that you need to get a lot of your chores done for today. If not, remember what I said. It's okay to not get it all done in one day. Don't stress over the mess, because it will be there right where you left off to start back up on it tomorrow.
Honestly, can't get enough of you.
What all do you guys have planned for this week besides cleaning up after your littles and doing your normal routine of chores? Anything planned for this weekend? Well, for me, I actually have a couple appointments this week and a get together with our family. We have Christopher's physical and a graduation party to attend to. But the one that I'm truly excited about is my hair appointment. I finally get to be able to do something for me, and I've truly been wanting to get this done for such a long time now. So unfortunately, I cannot give away the details to you guys because I obviously have to get it done first, and I'm not sure if it will be done all in one day, but you'll just have to wait and see. So again, been wanting this for a long time. I'm finally going to get it done, and this is truly me, my personality, what I've been wanting to do, what I like. So I hope you guys like it too. You won't see it in any of my videos this week, but maybe in next week's videos you'll catch something new. So if you're curious like me, stick around, subscribe, and then head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, and follow us there too, because I have lots of surprises that I want to share with all of you guys. Well, you guys, it looks like I'm going to end it right here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining me on this clean with me today. Remember to give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe to my channel, and then head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, and give us a follow there as well. We share daily IG stories of our lifestyle, our farm life, and anything else that I can share while being a stay-at-home mom. Again, thank you so much for watching, and again, thank you so much for helping me get to 1,000 subscribers, you guys. I couldn't have done it without you. So I guess I will see you again right back here with a brand new video. Bye, you guys.